This is how to upgrade the firmware on a LumiLuxLite kit camera on a luminous NVR. The first thing that we're going to want to do is go to storage at the top here. Then go to recording mode. Then we want to disable the recording on the cameras that we're going to upgrade. In this case, I only have one kit camera added to this recorder. Check the box for disable for the mainstream for this camera. Do the same thing for the substream. And make sure to disable it for substream 2 if it's enabled, as well as snapshot. When you're done, click apply at the bottom. Next, click on camera at the top. Then go to camera registration. Then click on the camera upgrade tab. Then click on browse next to file path. Then search your file system for the firmware upgrade file that you downloaded from the Luminous Wiki. Make sure the firmware file is a .bin file. If it is not, change it to .bin. Click on the file to select it. Then click on Open. Then check the box next to all of the LumiLuxLite cameras that need to be upgraded. Then click on Local Upgrade at the bottom. You will see under status that it is changed to downloading, as it is downloading the firmware from the NVR to the camera. Once it starts upgrading, you will see an increasing percentage. When it is done, it will say updated. As each camera is upgraded, it will reboot. Click the refresh button at the bottom left to see the status of the camera. In this case, you can see that the camera is still rebooting. Once the camera is done rebooting and you hit refresh, the status will change to green here. Then verify that the firmware version listed here matches the firmware file that you upgraded. In this case, it does. Once the firmware has finished upgrading on all of the cameras, go back to storage at the top. Then make sure that recording mode is selected on the left. Then check the boxes to re-enable recording for all of the streams that you want recording on. Then click apply at the bottom. And that is how to upgrade the firmware on LumiLuxLite kit cameras on a luminous NVR.